here's the NP300. We're gonna go through everything today, and I'm gonna teach you, well, I'm gonna tell you, not teach you, everything about that I've done to the NP300 so far. All right, so the first thing you're gonna notice is this bull bar. This is an OCAM bull bar. I did a full video install on this bull bar. The reason why I got this one is mostly because it protrudes out a little bit. You can see here it protrudes out, which I quite like. If you're wondering, this is an SL model. Comes with blacked out stuff, which I've had some, controversial opinions with people. They like the chrome stuff, which is fair enough, but yeah. Got the custom plates there. The tires and lift I'm running is a 2-inch front lift. I think it's an Ironman. No, it's not, it's an Outback Armour front lift with the 31-inch mud tires. These are a Winrun 265 75 R16 Winrun tire. These muddies are really good actually. They're cheap tires. I think they were like 100 and something bucks each. The rear ones are Niddle Trail grapplers. I've got genuine weather shields on here. This has got darkest legal tint as well on the windows. The roof rack is an OCAM roof rack. And then I'm running a King's 270 awning, which you would have seen me set up already. Super easy setup, literally takes 5 minutes. In terms of the tray, this is an Arrow toolkit tray. I'm running just a genuine tow bar, genuine exhaust, stock exhaust, stock rear suspension, which I need to upgrade, I know. And then inside the canopy, excuse the footballs, I do coaching, like for soccer. Yeah, we got some cool stickers up here. My girlfriend loves to do these stickers, so yeah. We got the fridge here, which is a King's upright fridge. Just has some beers and a water. And then the power is here, so this is my Renogy Smart Shunt. And then you can charge things through here, through the Type-C and USB 3.0s. And then this is the King's multi-switch thing, so that turns on that to give it power. And then you also got the cargo light, the side light isn't connected, and the fridge, which you can turn on and off as well. This is all carpet, marine carpet that I did myself here as well. Got my Oxido. If you guys want to check one of these out, the link will be in the description for the video that I did on this. I did a whole review on it. We're running just a stock spare tire, which I need to change to a 31-inch rubbish bag, whatever you want to call that. Oh, the 270 awning has these lights here. We just have some random stuff. I plan to put drawers here, but I haven't got around to it yet. This is a 100 amp hour lithium battery with a King's DC-DC charger and some pretty suspicious wiring here, but it's all safe, it's all crimped properly. And then my rooftop will be going on here as well. Got my nice stickers from Social Stickers here. In terms of inside the car, not much has really been done inside. I just got some basic floor mats, some four-wheel drive floor mats. These are Max Trax seat covers that are pretty good because they have pockets here and there and on the sides here. Inside the car, we've got a Chevron dash mat. I've blacked out these, which isn't the best job, but yeah, blacked out the interior bits. And we've got a throttle controller here, which is really, really good. I love the throttle controller, especially off-road. Like, it's really good to use. But then it does, like, I use it on economy when I'm just driving on highways, and that's pretty good as well. The back of the car has been nothing done to it. Also, this tray comes with a water tank. You can see under here, got the valve for it. And when it's like half full, it swishes around a lot. You can hear it a lot. But I think that's the build really. In here, got a gun. Well, a portable, not an actual gun, of course. Oh, under here, I forgot to show you my kitchen, which is locked. So give me a second, I'll pull that out. So right here is my kitchen system, which by no means is perfect, but it's kind of cool. Comes out all the way to here, and I am kind of hungry, so I might have some veggie chips. But this is basically a sort of a cutting bench, whatever you want to call it. Let me get you on the other side so you can see what's going on here. So yeah, we've got my stove under here. Obviously, you take that out and put it on top of here. I just keep sort of rags and cutting board and washing and all this stuff. So usually people use trundle drawers for actual storage, but I decided to do a kitchen build with it instead. So that's kind of that. Side, which I don't know if it's locked or not, it's not. This is just my air compressor, my old one. If I don't have the Oxido, I'll pump up my tires real quick with this. And these all have locks on them, whale tail locks, which, look, whale tail are basic, but they do the job because they're cheap, basically. But my stepbrother's one on his Hilux has like these push ones, which is really cool. So I'm kind of a bit gutted about that. But this is the cheapest tray that you can get actually on the market. But I think that's pretty much it for the build. If you guys did like this video, make sure you hit the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm in presenting it to more people so we can get more people on board. And at around 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway of some merch. This is a prototype merch with the back piece on it. I don't know, you probably can't tell. But yeah, at 2,000 subs, I'm going to be doing a giveaway of some merch. So if you want that, share the video, get some more subscribers on board, help the team out, and comment down below if you're interested. It'll be a revised version of this. It'll look a lot better, trust me. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. Peace.